Hello and welcome back. This is Justin with PropData, PropTechUSA.ai. Just wanted to continue with the demo of our API/dashboard for the PropData product. 66 million parcels of data being enriched with a variety of different resources. And let's just cover that real quick. What are those sources? We've got 16 live, 5 of them, yes, they are in-house, but we are using outside resources as well, such as Redfin, US Census Bureau, Zillow Research, US Department of Housing, and much more. So just to give you some insight there, what is it that you can do with our API? Well, you can save yourself thousands of dollars versus going to CoreLogic or ATTOM and using our API to get even more data that's fresher and better. So if that is something that you need and you would like to save money, this becomes a clear, obvious no-brainer. And for those who like to spend more and get less, I'm not mad at you. You keep doing what you're doing. But in the event that you'd like to save money and get a better product, please give us a call. We'd love to help you out. And you can find us on PropTechUSA.ai or PropData.PropTechUSA.ai. If you'd like to get your free key and check it out for yourself, please do so. You're going to be able to get all this data just by simply typing in a zip code. And then you can find out what is in this area. We use the old 90210 just for fun here to see what we get. And it's not a cheap place to live, right? So the data supports that. And here's all the different data you can get just on a zip code. Here's some that are already prefixed that we can just check out for fun and see what we get. Some more data here. So if you're an investor who's looking in multiple states for investments, it's impossible, even with boots on the ground, to know exactly what the data is providing unless you have the data, which we do here for you. And that's what we're providing. You can get everything from your heat map here to find out, okay, what's hot, what's not, what states are looking good. We've got market history. If you want to see what the market history is, go ahead and type it in, because history tells you a lot. And that's what you're going to find here. You're going to get the history and the reports and even the cold and hot months, typically historically, that you should buy, sell, or hold. And that's going to be just a quick rundown of PropData, PropTechUSA.ai. If you'd like to get a free key, please go on the website. You will get a free key, get instant access to this dashboard. No credit card required. We want the data to sell itself. Look forward to having you as a subscriber. And if you'd like to get a higher tier, you can do that either on the website or you can reach out to us directly at PropData@PropTechUSA.ai. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Friday, and we'll talk to you guys soon.